Soar above the breathtaking beauty of the Adriatic where crystal blue waters meet a coastline shaped by time. Stretching endlessly beneath the warm glow of the sun from the sky, the shoreline reveals its charm, hidden coves, gentle bays, and rocky edges softened by waves that move in a calm and rhythmic dance. The water shifts from deep sapphire to bright turquoise, shimmering with light as the camera glides forward, showing nature's colors at their most pure and vibrant. Along the coast, winding paths and quiet hills blend seamlessly into the landscape, while the sea continues its peaceful whisper against the rugged shore. Every frame uncovers a new layer of beauty: the clarity of the water, the harmony of land and sea, and the timeless calm of the Adriatic breeze. Let this stunning aerial view transport you to a place of serenity, where nature shines in its most perfect form.